What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Irene Itzikel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video, we're going to be creating a soft glam New Year's Eve makeup look. My face is duly prepped. I have gone ahead and done my skincare, allowed it to sit for like 30 minutes to an hour before shooting this video. I've already done my brows, as you can see. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is to prime our face, and today I'll be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I think this is my third time using this primer, and I love using it because it helps my makeup last longer. As you can, from the name, it says power grip. Okay, so it grips your makeup. Your makeup is not going anywhere. All right, wear it for however long you want to wear your makeup. Your makeup is not moving. So that's why I really love this primer. I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my face. I went ahead and put it on my palm. Anyways, this is a great primer and it is very affordable. I love products that do the same thing that high-end products do, but they are affordable. The next product we're going to go in with is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and I'll be applying this at the high point of my cheeks. I absolutely love this product because for sure it makes me glow from within. And also you can use it for a lot of things, which I'm going to show you guys in this video. Be very generous with it because once you apply your foundation, most of the products will disappear. I'm going to color correct, and you guys already know the drill. I'm using the Elegil Pro Concealer Color Corrector in the shade Orange. Okay, the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is apply my foundation, and I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I like mixing the both of them. This is in the shade Not Brown, and this is in the shade Golden Cappuccino. The Golden Cappuccino is lighter than my skin tone slightly, and the Not Brown, it's a bit darker than my skin tone. So I like mixing the both of them to get my perfect match. So this is the Cappuccino. I like putting one pump. I may not use all of that, but yeah, I go in with this one, which is the Not Brown. I'm going to first of all use my finger to mix it up together. I'm going to put that on my skin. I like to focus the product more on the outer part of my skin, and then whatever it's left, I bring it to my T-zone. So I'm going to take my concealer today. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm going to put that all over my lids. This will like act as a base for where the eyeshadows will sit, and also correct the darkness I have on my lids as well. I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer brush. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to, using my Real Techniques 402 brush, I'm going to just set lightly. Using my She Glam Cookie palette, I'm going to take this shade right here. Using my eyeshadow blending brush, I'm going to pick that up, dust off the excess, and focus it all over my crease, slightly into my brow bone as well. This shade is actually my transition shade. The next product I'm going to go ahead and use is my Revolution Glow Bronzer, and this is in the shade Medium Dark. I love this bronzer. Okay, this is how it looks. I'm going to take this brush right here, take some of this product, dust off the excess, and place it in the hollow here. You don't necessarily need an eyeshadow to create this look. If you have your bronzer, you can create it easily. Okay, I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow. Like I said, you can use this product for a lot of things. The one I applied on my cheekbones is also the NYX Born to Glow, and this is in the shade Pure Gold. And then I'll go ahead and use the same Born to Glow, and this is in the shade Sun Goddess. As that is getting tacky, I'm going to go in with my Milani highlighter, and this is in the shade Glowing, and it's kind of, it broke. a bit. I'm going to pick that up with the same brush. Yep, let's shine. Let us shine, baby. Let us shine. Wow, gorgeous. So now I'm going to go back with my bronzer and just buff that in so that it doesn't look like there are two separate things on my eyes. So the next product we're going to go ahead and use is the Lift and Snatch brow pen. Same brow pen I used for my eyebrows. I'll use it to create a wing line. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes using my Essence mascara. I'm going to take that and apply that all over my upper lashes, started from underneath, and then I wiggle it up. And I'll be using the same the hydrating camo concealer, elf hydrating camo concealer in the shade Tan Walnut. I'm going to let this sit on my face for a little bit and get tacky, then we can go in and then blend it. So while we let this sit, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, and I'll be using the Elegel Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Dark Cocoa. I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer brush and just buff that concealer into my skin. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just make sure that there are no harsh lines. I'm going to take the elf camo concealer, and this is in Tan Sand, just to highlight. So after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and bronze, and I'll be using the Putty bronzer, the elf Putty bronzer. And that is how we're looking. Now I'm going to go in with my blush, and I'll be taking the blush, this blush right here, my favorite. I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer using the Laura Mercier. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Medium Deep Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm going to take my fluffy baby right here. Take a little bit of powder and just go around. I'm going to go ahead and finish off with my eyes, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face, and I'll be using the Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Next. So while that dries, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. I'm going to use it to outline my lip. I'm going to go ahead now and apply my highlighter, and I'll be using the Milani Sun Glow highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Athens. So guys, this is the final look. To be very honest with you guys, I didn't know this is how this look was going to turn out with my short hair. I was very skeptical of about filming this video without making my hair, but it turned out great, guys. Do you see that glow? You can go ahead and pop on your lip gloss, but for me, I chose to leave it matte. You can rock this look with your short gorgeous hair or your long beautiful hair. Whichever way you decide to rock this look, whichever style you decide to rock this look with, it will come out beautiful. Whether ponytail snatches the face. Be sure to give me a thumbs up right there in the click that like button right now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on when I put out a new video. All right, okay, before we end this video, I'd like to say a big thank you to my old subscribers, my new subscribers, to those that have watched my videos, to those that have liked, to those that have commented. Thank you so much. Even for those that didn't comment and watched, I see you. Thank you as well. As we end the year 2022 and get into the new year, we are very much expectant. 2023 is going to be a better year for us, God willing. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in 2023. Yeah. Yeah, you remain blessed. I love you. Bye.